Take a shot of them.
Yeah. Can barely make them out, but yeah, I got them. What's up, y'all? Booty log. Today is Monday, October 8th. Leaving No Business Knob shelter. Pretty good night. I left my bear bag, or food bag, on the mouse hang where the shelter is. No one got into it last night, thankfully, but the other girl that stayed here last night, she went to pee or do whatever business she had to do in the morning, and startled the same bear from last night away. So he came back during breakfast, and we got to watch him for a little bit while we were eating. So that was pretty cool. He kept his distance. He knew that we could have brought the pain if he came by, but so for today, gonna do a lot of elevation climbs. It's gonna be a tough day. It's a beautiful morning right now. It's probably gonna reach mid 70s if I were to guess. Yeah, we're gonna check out Big Bald, and that's gonna be the huge view for today. And other than that, we're gonna keep on trekking here and see how far we can get for today. It's 9 o'clock, nice and sunny out as usual. Alright, so I've kept my monologues pretty straightforward this whole hike because I haven't had much free space on my phone, but now that I do, I can get a little more in depth. So this section here, I'm going south, by the way, for those that don't know. I might put in the information, whatever. South compared to north, I've done both ways. I think they're both tough in their own right. If I were to go north over Big Bald compared to south, I think it would be a tad bit easier, but I really don't know, like, the whole Appalachian Trail, whether one way is tougher than the other. I think it's just equal in its own right. So there's that. I would say this is probably the most badass section to do in the south, from the Roan Highlands to Moxie Bald. If you can, or not Moxie Bald, Max Patch. Moxie Bald's in Maine. If you can go from Max Patch to Roan Highlands, vice versa, that's probably the most awesome section in the south of the Appalachian Trail you can do around here, besides the Smokies. But Smokies is a little bit less mileage. I'm not going to Max Patch, but if I could, I would. Let's see. The weather has been a little too much on the warm side, although I'm loving it. There's not a day that I haven't sweated profusely, and it's starting to get to me. I just switched up my shirt because the other one's still soaked from yesterday. Crazy. Let's see. My feet, feeling a little bit irritation on the inside of the heel, but nothing too bad, nothing to worry about. I've been having to massage my feet the past couple days, and every day I massage my feet and stretch before I head out to hike. So that really helps. It helps a lot. So keep that in mind. There's plenty of road crossings around here. Should you decide to do a section in, drop a car off or anything, there's plenty of parking areas. So yeah, I highly recommend, if you choose to do a section in the south, do Roan Highlands to Max Patch for sure. Hi rocks, ladies and gentlemen. Not bad. Not bad at all. That was a tough ass climb. That was an ass kicker. So, something I take into account out here, and I've only been out here for 5 days right now, and I just take note that this is a very humbling experience, and it makes you feel grateful and it makes you feel alive. And it's just when I just like lay down in my hammock and look at the stars, it makes you feel insignificant in a humbling way, not in a I feel worthless kind of way. But I think the trail is one of the better ways, or one of the best ways of meditation, because you're out here alone with your thoughts, and you're not going anywhere with them. You can't zone them out. So it kind of makes you pay more attention to yourself, pay more attention to your thoughts, any memories that you kind of quelled come back to life, and you have to really reflect on them as you're hiking. So just a few thoughts on how the trail heals and helps you meditate and contemplate life. I think it's one of the amazing things that can happen to you while you're hiking and backpacking. Not to the top just yet, but almost. I think it was 1,500 climb to just see this. It's weird. Well, finally finished off all the tough climbs for the day, I believe. Just crossed over Little Bald. There's nothing to see here. There's trees covered in the way. But we're making our way to Big Bald. That's where it's just clear, just grass and 360-degree views. We're going to try and have some lunch. Hopefully it's not too windy. What we just saw back there was a bird trap for counting migrating birds. So just got a taste of bird banding, just catching birds and, you know, taking account of their migration if they have any bands on them. And they said that they've caught birds as far as Canada, Alberta. They've caught a bunch of birds during migration from like August through October. So they set up every morning from sunrise to about this time, around 3 o'clock, I think. So yeah, takes a lot of commitment, but it's pretty cool. Anyways, here's some views. Big Bald, ladies and gentlemen. Can't beat this right now. No, sir. All right, folks, heading down from Big Bald. It is about 14, 15 miles to Devil's Fort Gap, and I'm gonna do another half day tomorrow to finish up. So plan is right now, so probably head towards Hogback Ridge Shelter. That's about 9-ish, 10-ish miles, and probably stop a little short, check out this High Rocks. There's another High Rocks today that has yet to be seen, so maybe camp there, and then that'll leave about 6 to 8 miles tomorrow, something like that. Yeah, I'm good with numbers right now, but anyways, we're gonna keep on trucking here. Ooh, beautiful. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think I'll make this my home for tonight.